In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new column in Monday.com. If you want to customize your board and track more information, adding a new column is a quick and useful way to do it. Columns in Monday.com help you organize the details for each item on your board, whether that's dates, status updates, numbers, text, people, or other kinds of data. Once you know where to find the option, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. To get started, open your Monday.com board. Make sure you're inside the specific board where you want the new column to appear, because the column will be added directly to that board structure. If you manage multiple boards, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct one before making changes. Next, move your attention to the right side of your existing columns. This is where Monday.com places the option to add another column. You may need to scroll horizontally if your board already has several columns, so take your time and go all the way to the far right until you can see the add option clearly. Once you're there, click the plus icon. This opens the menu that lets you choose what kind of column you want to add. The plus icon is the starting point for expanding your board, so if you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling to the end of your current column layout. After that, search for the column type you need. Monday.com offers different column types for different purposes, and using the search function can save time, especially if you already know exactly what kind of information you want to track. For example, you might be looking for a text column, a date column, or a status column, depending on your workflow. When you find the right option, select the column. As soon as you do, Monday.com will add it to your board. This makes it easy to instantly expand your setup without interrupting the rest of your work. If needed, rename the column so it matches the kind of information you plan to store there. Giving the column a clear, specific name will make your board easier to understand later, especially if other team members also use it. Finally, start adding data into the new column. Once the column is in place and labeled correctly, you can begin filling in the relevant information for each item on your board. That's all it takes to add a new column in Monday.com and keep your board organized in a way that works best for you.